Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And today we are still in the Netherlands. We are at Den Bosch train station and I'm really happy to be here because Den Bosch, in my opinion, is one of the most beautiful places in the whole of the Netherlands. Both the station, which is really classic, Dutch train station, but also the city in general is so beautiful. I'm actually heading out to my sister today, who lives close to Eindhoven. But on the way with the train, I had a 30-minute layover, so I was like, yes, let's do a video. Yeah, let's do a video here and film what's up. Really beautiful and sunny today. And let's walk a little bit towards the center here. Let's see how far I get in this half an hour, because I also have to make it, make my way back to the train station. But yes, so the video is up a little later than normally. I always upload at like 1 o'clock, but yeah, because of the traveling, the big file size and everything like that, I didn't manage to put it up at 1 o'clock. So sorry about that, but yeah, a little bit later today than usual. But it doesn't really matter. All right, let's go away from the train station here. As you can see, it says Centrum, aka Center. It's really weird for me to see all these Dutch signs and Dutch things here, because I'm so used to, speak Swedish and read the Swedish signs and things like that. Alrighty, so I think we arrived straight in the center here. Alright, what do we have here on this side? Oh yes, it's the people waiting for the bus terminal. Oh, it's finally not raining today. Very happy. It's nice and sunny. Ooh, Berliner, the Bosse. Oh, this is a typical snack for this region. They got apple beignets, oliebollen. I think it's called oil dumplings in English. It's like real famous for this area, but also in general in the Netherlands. This is what we eat around New Year's. So I'm not really familiar with this city. I mean, I have been here before, but it's many years ago, so I don't really know where I'm going, but it says center that way, so I'll have a look. Oh, this is already a cool start here. Really cool statue. Oh, there's a road here passing through. This is that typical Dutch architecture that you see in all these houses. You see it in Amsterdam, you see it in Utrecht. You don't really see it much in Rotterdam, because all those houses got bombed in the Second World War, but here you still see it everywhere. People queuing up for the bakery here. But yeah, everyone that goes to Den Bosch always says it's one of the best cities in the Netherlands to visit as a tourist. So let's see in about 15 minutes if we agree or not. They also have these international chains like Subway, the sandwich food company. What a beautiful day. It's actually way colder than in the previous days, but feels much better without rain and wind. Everyone riding the bicycle. Oh yes, beautiful. Oh, it feels good to be back home in the Netherlands. I don't miss my country so much in you know, my daily life, but yeah, it's also very nice to go back to Sweden. It feels really like I have two homes, if that makes any sense. Bolwerk Sint-Jan, Oliemolen Singel. Actually, this city actually has two names. You can basically call it for two different names. So you can say Den Bosch, which is the easy version, and then you have 's-Hertogenbosch, which is the more old-fashioned way of saying it, which is basically impossible to pronounce for foreigners. So yeah, it's easier to use the first one. All right, what do we got here? Oh, nice. So this is probably one of those streets to party normally, I guess. Looks like there's pubs on each side. I don't know what this street is called, but it looks awesome. Unfortunately, as I said, it's a lockdown, so all these pubs here are closed. Oh, this is nice here. Let's have a look. Oh, you can probably like rent a boat there and go through the canals. I can already tell this is a great city. Looks so nice. I already regret I don't have more time, because I could do a 2-hour walk in here. That's the thing, there's so much to explore, so much to see, that I sometimes, not panic is the right word, but it's like I want to do more, you know what I mean? I want to do longer videos, more videos, better videos. Oh, great, sunny. Again, as always in the Netherlands, bicycles everywhere. Oh yeah, I've only been in Den Bosch for 10 minutes and I'm already getting good vibes. I know why people love this city. I can already tell. Because some of these streets have Amsterdam vibes, but without the crazy tourist prices and crazy... let's go in here. Some alleys. I'm a little bit under time pressure because I'm supposed to meet my family at track 4B at a certain time, so I cannot drift too far from the station. Unfortunately. So this here feels a bit like the main street here. It's kebab. All right, let's quickly go around the corner here. Have a look. It's a perfect day for filming, really. All right, this looks good. Tony's salty hot chocolate. Well, in general, I'm very hungry. I had breakfast hours ago. My stomach is want an oliebol. The Dutch people know exactly what I mean. Oliebol, oil dumpling, not healthy whatsoever. It's basically a ball of dough, like fried in oil. I think there's many different variations in different countries. When I was in Colombia a few years back, I actually saw some things in bakeries that were very similar. And I think also in different countries in Eastern Europe and things, they have different types of, these kind of snacks. Let's have a look at the canal here. Cool. Oh, there's like a dam here. Or what's it called? Sluice? No, I don't know. You know, with the difference in height of the water. Alrighty. Like, seeing this is like the most Dutch thing ever. Your bicycle parked here at the waterfront next to the canals. So this street is called Brede Haven. And that little area is called Uilenburg. I must say, it's quite busy for a city in lockdown. There's still a lot of people out and about. I think maybe some people still on Christmas holidays, not sure. Alright, let's make my way a little back to the station again. It's a real pity. I could have explored this city for hours. Maybe I should on purposely miss my train and take 30 more 30 more minutes. Nice big trees in the middle here. You can imagine it looks really spectacular in summer when everything is green. Yeah, I'm definitely coming back here. This was just a teaser. A teaser of like a 2-hour live stream in Den Bosch. When everything is back open again, I'm coming back here in summer and do a massive live stream. Also, I noticed that it's a big difference with Stockholm here in the Netherlands, is that all these walking zebra crossings, they don't have traffic lights. That was the word I was looking for. In Stockholm, you're always waiting for the traffic lights, but here, no. Alrighty, so here we're back at the station. In 's-Hertogenbosch, as you can see here on the big signs. And it's time for me, before I take the train, to buy something really unhealthy. Really looking forward to it. Alright, thank you people here from Den Bosch. Have a lovely day, thank you for watching and see you all tomorrow.